Welcome to TSplus Remote Access, the smarter alternative to Citrix and Microsoft RDS. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to customize your web portal to create a fully branded and professional remote access gateway. Let's get started. You can easily personalize your HTML web portal page without needing web development skills. To get started, double-click on the Admin tool to open the TSplus Remote Access Administration console. Then go to the Web tab and select Web Portal Customization. Under the Appearance tab, you can adjust the look and feel of your portal to match your brand. Start by choosing a theme. The default creative theme lets you personalize the background by choosing from a collection of preloaded options. For a unique touch, upload your own by selecting Custom and then clicking Browse. Looking for fresh visuals? Explore over 3 million high-quality images from Unsplash directly within the tool. Just search, pick an image, and confirm. The system will automatically adjust colors for a cohesive look. Within your web portal, you have full control over every visual detail. Refine your color scheme to match your brand identity perfectly. Replace the default TSplus logo with your own, ensuring a consistent and professional look. Want to go further? Upload a custom favicon, adding that extra touch of branding for a seamless user experience. Fine-tune the layout by repositioning the side panel, center it, or align it to the right. Adjust its transparency to get the perfect balance of design and readability. Finally, you can modify content color and size to ensure the best layout for different user preferences. Now let's head to the Content tab, where you can personalize every detail of the login page. Customize the titles for both the login screen and HTML5 page to match your brand. Easily personalize the text displayed above the username and password fields, along with the label on the login button. Furthermore, the text at the bottom of the page is fully customizable, allowing you to add a personalized message or important information for users. Next up is the Settings tab, where you shape the login experience. TSplus Remote Access gives you flexibility. You can enable HTML5, Remote App, or both. You also have the ability to modify their names. If you offer them together, you can set a default to keep things smooth for users. You have two additional options to enhance your setup. First, you can choose to hide the server selection list for a cleaner and more streamlined user experience. Second, you can strengthen security by enabling the gateway portal, adding an extra layer of protection to safeguard user access and ensure data integrity. If you need specific keyboard settings, you can adjust configurations to meet different user preferences. Let's move to the Web Credentials section, your key to streamlining authentication without skimping on security. Customize the labels for the username and password fields to match your preferred terminology. You can even set predefined login values to simplify the sign-in process. For added convenience, enable a password visibility toggle or include a Windows password reset button. If necessary, set up password expiration notifications to remind users before their credentials expire. Two-step verification is active. You can rename its label for clarity. If you need a domain field, you can choose to show or hide it. Plus, you have the flexibility to rename it or set a default value. Lastly, you have the option to remember the last login used to access the web portal. Enhance user experience with smooth file transfers directly from the web portal. Define default save locations for uploaded and downloaded files, whether it's the desktop, My Documents, web file folder, or a custom directory. Users can also select their preferred file management system, choosing between File Explorer or the TSplus Remote Access interface for a streamlined workflow. The application portal provides users with an easy way to access their assigned applications. Enable or disable this feature based on your organization's needs. You can also set an automatic log-off time, securely disconnecting inactive users after a specified period. Tailor your portal to your needs. Customize the page title, application box title, and log-off message to align with your brand identity. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the TSplus Web Portal, check out our technical documentation.